Hi, this is Benjamin Hansen. I wanted to give a short presentation on software estimation based on this paper I read. That was a very monumental paper. And it went into a little bit of what is a line of code, or like how do we measure the number of lines of code? Because, if we have a piece of code and it has a lot of comments around it, we can consider each of those comments, each of those lines in a text editor, a line of code. But that line of code might span multiple lines. Or we might need to think, okay, well, really the only lines of code that matter are the ones that the compiler creates, the executable lines of code. And so maybe we can measure in terms of that. So the different ways to measure the number of lines of code can differ from 5 to 1, meaning there could be 5 times more lines of code from this method measurement than another one for the same estimation. So it's very difficult to plan a priori how many lines of code you're going to have. So the article suggests that we use function points. A function point is just really what logical components that the software has to have. What does the code need to do to solve the user's problem? And the professors say that basing estimations off of function points are more consistent in actuality than when they are based off of lines of code in pre-planning. But it needs a lot of training. And so those were some of the takeaways from this article. Thanks for watching.